In this lecture, you will learn and use the on mouse over and on mouse out events. The on mouse over event is triggered by the browser or fired when the user places the cursor on the target element. This could be any of the HTML elements. On mouse out, as the name itself says, is triggered when the user removes the cursor on the targeted element. Let's see those two in action. New file, copy over the script from closure, clean it up, call it on mouse over / on mouse out. That's the title. Start with some HTML. In this section we need some HTML body as well, /body. Use a marquee. Whatever text you put in it, it will scroll across the browser. marquee. On mouse over is the event we want to handle. Stop is an inbuilt function in JavaScript and it will stop the scrolling of the marquee. Similarly, on mouse out, as soon as I remove the mouse, is equal to, within double quotes, start. Again, this is an inbuilt function that will start the scrolling of the marquee. Add some text to it. Start / stop / marquee. That will be the text that will be scrolling across the browser. Close the marquee. Save it. Create a new folder called events and call it on mouse over and out .html. Go to Finder, JavaScript folder, open it in the web browser, and you will see a text scrolling here. If you place your mouse on it, it will stop, and as soon as you mouse out, it will scroll again. So in this lecture, you have used the inbuilt functions stop and start to handle the on mouse over and on mouse out events. In the next lecture, you will write your own functions to handle these two events.